Hello all, today in this video we are going to show a basic video of how to define and call a function in Python. So to define we have to use the definition function which is def, and my function is the name which we have only created. So if you want to give some other name means you can just change it, and here since it's just a basic demo video we are using only the hello print world. So here now we change the function, right? So now we have to, if we are working with the same means, it will just create an error. But so we are just working with this. So now you can see it does not create. Previously it was not creating an error because previously we defined my function and call here itself. So but we run it as in the same cell itself, so it was not creating an error. But if you close this and if you work with the same function name which we have deleted means it will create an error. So this is a basic code for how to create an function and how to define it. Thank you. So in the next video you can see some other basics or some scratch videos or scratch code for some other layers or model in this video. So do we can meet in the next video. Thank you.